Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm Danny, this is Project Fern and this is me smashed in Berlingo. So I've never actually featured this car on my channel because I'll be honest with you, it was absolutely mint and it didn't need anything doing to it. But unfortunately someone's done a hit and run on it, smashed it through a wall while it's been parked up and drove off. There's another reason as well why I've never shown this car on my channel, and that's because I did do a video on it changing the power steering pump, and I put a thumbnail up showing that there was a video coming, and someone cloned my reg number because I didn't have my private reg on it, and I started getting fines through from the ULEZ zone down in London, and it was painful to sort all that out, proving that it wasn't me. Luckily I managed to prove it wasn't me, and they kindly cancelled the fines and made it out as though they were doing me a favour. But unfortunately this one's dead. It was HDI Desire, it had air conditioning as well. I'll show you inside. Had the air conditioning, all the modular top roof, and I think it had done about 100,000 miles this. Had a timing belt done, I had the clutch done, you know how it goes with these, 100,000 miles off a clutch and 150,000 miles on a rear axle. I'm absolutely devastated that this has happened. So there's only one thing to do now, and let's go and find another one. Good morning people, it is 5:30 in the morning. We have found a new car. Sorry for the lighting, it's still coming light. It's about 4 or 5 hours away. It's in Abergavenny, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, that's in Wales. So the first stop is I need to get from Yorkshire to Manchester Piccadilly train station, and then it's a direct train from there. Right, picking this car up yesterday, the video did not go as planned. As you can see, I'm sat in the new car now, but the car when I picked it up, the rain that was coming down was godly. It was bouncing about 2 foot off the floor, but as you can see behind me here, I am in my new car. There are some faults with it. I am over the moon with it though, so I'm going to show you now what's going on with it. Yeah, 243 miles back it was yesterday. The car drives mint. It doesn't drive perfectly. There are issues with it, but let's go through them now. So the first issue is the driver's electric window doesn't work. This could be a switch, it could be a regulator down here, or it could be the electric window module. Either way, that's all quite simple to sort out. The air conditioning doesn't work either. I'm hoping that is just a regas. And then if we look at the key as well, it's usual Peugeot key, smashed to bits. I've got 3 keys for this car. It's had 3 owners, all in the same family, and it's done 127,687 miles. There's rafts of receipts for this car. It's had timing belts done in its life and stuff, so it does show it's been looked after. I'm going to give you a quick whip around the car now and show you what condition it's in, and then show you what's going on under the bonnet and also what's happening when it's driving. So we've now switched it up. We've gone from a Citroen to a Peugeot. This is a partner Escapade, as you can see with the decal on the side here. We've got no modular top anymore, but we have got Peugeot original roof bars. I don't know how you move these, but I prefer that one to be down there. Got this lovely sticker down the side. Got these bumper and arch protectors. Got the guards on the front and back lights, which I don't mind. I need spraying back up, but I really do like the look of this car. I think it sits really well. Never had one in Poseidon Blue. It's had 3 owners in the same family. Just showed you 127,000 miles. Let's just have a look inside here. So we've got no modular top, which means we've got less squeaking and we can get more in the boot. Got this gorgeous black interior. It's pretty mint, this thing. In the boot here, you usually get a rubber mat, but this one's not got it. This one's got carpet, and then you can lift this up and see underneath. It's like brand new. I don't know if that carpet runs all the way to the back, but I might try and get one of them rubber mats. We've got the parcel shelf, no trolley in this one. It's not got the bracket either. I'm over the moon with this. The criteria as usual. Had to have the 1.6 HDI engine. and it also had to have air conditioning, which this has got, even though it doesn't work. But there is a problem with this car, which I'm going to show you in a second. But let's just get underneath here and I'll show you under there. So you can see there's an oil leak from up top. I'm hoping it's coming from the turbo or the rocker cover gaskets, but that's something that needs looking at. The car drives fine, it's just I think the turbo's gone on it. Love the colour, love how it sits, love the condition of it. I'm just going to show you the main fault now. Under the bonnet is super clean, but then when you look a bit closer, you can see we've got an oil leak going down here. I think it's probably from these rocker cover gaskets. Put that back in place, and I think the turbo's not working properly, and I don't know whether that's to do with anything that's going on with these oil leaks. I don't know if there's a way to test it. We're gonna have to work it all out, but I'll show you how the car drives now. So the criteria I just mentioned was it had to have the 1.6 HDI engine. It's the only engine I've ever had in this car. The red one was a 75 brake horsepower, and then the silver one, which I showed you at the beginning of this video, was an 89. They list it as a 92, but it is 89 horsepower. So this car that I've bought now, this blue one, this is listed as an 89 as well, but it is gutless, which is what makes me think that the turbo's gone. I'll show you now. So we're in first gear, we start driving. If you watch the reg counter, so that's foot to the floor, that's fine. But it's second gear now, my foot's to the floor, it's just not doing anything. And I know it sounds a bit silly saying they're fast for 90 brake horsepower, but they are. Like my silver one proper goes. So there's clearly issues somewhere. At first I thought maybe the clutch was dragging, but I don't know if that's a symptom of it. But we know that there's quite a few issues with this car, and the nice thing, but it's not a nice thing, it's good for you guys but bad for me, is that there are a lot of issues on this car that I've not covered on my channel before. So I'm going to be doing work. I'm not just doing videos for video's sake. They actually need doing, and I can show you guys how I fix them. So there's plenty to do. Hope you stick around. I'm glad to be back making Berlingo and now partner videos. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.